Good morning.
All right, we're here on the High Line in New York City, and Andy, why don't you tell us a little bit what it's about?
All right, so the High Line is this old railway that got converted into a park. It's, I don't know, like 10, 20 blocks long. It runs north-south of Manhattan, and it's pretty cool. It's a park that is raised above the ground.
Let's go.
The High Line is a continuous 1.45 mile long greenway featuring 500 plus species of plants and trees. It has multiple lookout points and lounging areas along its trail, each with unique views of the city. As you stroll down the greenway, you can find mini markets with vendors selling food, murals, and even art installations.
We're at Smorgasburg. It's a outdoor vendor sort of place where outdoor market, yeah.
Food market.
Where people come and put out their stands. Take a look. Tia's also got us some food.
So we went to Rooster Boy and we ordered this double OG fried chicken sandwich with french fries. And it looks really, really good. The fries are delicious. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna eat this.
Here. She's struggling a little bit.
I don't know how you even put your mouth around it. Okay. That's delicious. Super, super good.
Watermelon, mint, and basil.
Lime.
It's very refreshing.
We've got corn. All right, so we went to this place called Visca, and they have different kinds of corn on the cob. So we got a Japanese style one that has a Japanese mayo and some paprika, and then we got a truffle aioli and Parmesan one. So let's try them.
You like